My name's Chris Martin, or CJ, and I am the senior graphic designer. Rock, but that's kind of how I just attack life, just
with a rock.
Yeah, with a rock. Full crisper, we'd have carrots, broccoli, because broccoli's amazing, and cauliflower. Oh, it's sugar snap peas.
Ooh.
Oh, a little key multi-tool, a knife.
I just know you carry a lot of stuff.
Lunch. Have been here 11 years and I'm going on 12. I was the first one hired. When I started out, I didn't even really do much design work. I ran a roaster, ran a packing machine, spent an incredible amount of time sweeping.
There you go. That's a pretty good horse. Very nice.
I'd say playing guitar is like riding a bike. It's something you can pick up and just go. I started the series by Isaac Asimov, the Foundation series, and I'm working my way through some of the extended books. Deep Space Nine, Discovery, Next Generation, Original, Voyager, Lower Decks, all the design work I've done. Even cooler than all that, I made a fire pit. Let's see, 30 years ago, I was 8 years old, so right now I would have been sitting in school learning something.
Learning something.
Right now, we're leaning very much towards the Frostbite blend. When I made it, I'll admit it, I had no idea. Sometimes just simply being good and tasting good is enough. The backstory to White Night is that we were doing Black Night one day, and I was roasting, and I pulled it out and thought, you know what, this looks intriguing. Let's just, try some of this. Made it, and it was one of those, wow, it's really good. I don't know, my kids' friends think that's fantastic. And it does hurt.
I was just gonna say how.
But